Imagine a world where every tree is replanted. Felipe Villela envisions a planet covered in trees, transforming the Earth once again. Vast reforestation efforts help combat climate change. Air gets fresher as trees purify our atmosphere, stabilizing rainfall patterns. Droughts become less severe, rivers flow consistently, and wildlife thrives in expanded habitats, leading to flourishing biodiversity. Humans notice the benefits with moderating temperatures and less frequent harsh weather. Communities grow stronger by reconnecting with nature. Felipe knows planting trees is just the beginning. Long-term impact requires collective effort from individuals, governments, and corporations. His tireless advocacy encourages sustainable living and responsibility. Felipe urges us to see the Earth as part of the family. Felipe stands as a symbol of hope, promoting a vision of a world covered in trees. It's a call to action for sustainability. Reforesting the Earth is one of the most effective ways to heal our planet and mitigate global warming. Every tree counts.